A day of quiet consolidation for the bourses today, although the closing figure on the headline index may indicate so, but we were largely range bound today, to be fair. We were hovering around in a 0.5% band from the high to the low of the day for the better part of today's trading session. On closing bell, though, the Nifty has had a comfortable close near the 13,150 level on the Nifty Futures. So in that sense, the headline number doesn't quite give you any reasons to complain. But sulk today was really banks, and had banks done a little bit better, we could have had a better day perhaps and made a dash at 30,200, who knows. Banks underperformed, but metals, infrastructure, automobiles, largely most sectors, fertilizers, chemicals, they all held out very, very smartly. Within the Nifty was the key pressure points again with the private banking names. Kotak Futures were down almost about 3%. You had ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, which were a couple of key laggards in today's trading session. In fact, not just the private banking names, but even some of the broader market banking names as well, like a Canara Bank, IDFC First, they too languished in today's trading session. In fact, Canara Bank was down as much as about almost 4.25% in trade. On the flip side, though, it was metals which really stuck out as the big powerful mover in today's trading session. Not just Tata Steel, but I can say all of the Nifty metal constituents held out today. Pick up any name, be it Nalco, SAIL, Hindalco, Tata Steel, Coal India, JSW, Jindal Steel, they were all holding a buzz, and the metals trade really has returned back or come back to power. Not just that, you had a couple of those PSU plays as well intact. So another strong session for a GAIL, which held out by about almost 4% on the futures. ONGC had a strong show, about a 4% uptick there as well. The Adani names were doing very well, with Adani Ports in the lead with a 4% uptick coming in. Asian Paints held out very, very smartly, another 3.6% gain there. And then, of course, there are names like Titan as well as SBI Life and IOC as well, which had a good show in today's trading session. The breadth of the market as well held out, and for the large part today, it managed to favor the advances, although at one point in time with the reversal in the Nifty, the breadth as well did give up, and then you saw a sharp recovery coming in with some of these metal as well as PSU names holding up, and you had a comfortable breadth for ourselves. About a 2:1 ratio is the kind of ratio that we closed the day with. What was also exciting today was the primary market offering, that's the Burger King IPO, which opened today, day one of its subscription, and there was much anticipation and excitement around the market as well with regards to Burger King. The retail category already has been oversubscribed. And not just that, the total subscription figures as well as of day one last count were looking pretty good. And this also really came to or through limelight on some of the other peer group names, the likes of Jubilant, Foodworks, or for that matter, Westlife, which also have been a buzz in the run up to this IPO. But tomorrow's another day. We'll pick up with all the market action tomorrow morning on the market at 8 a.m. on ET Now.